Yeah. Hi, this is Dhanshekar for SharePoint Technologies. I have totally 11 years of experience on Microsoft SharePoint Technologies. Currently, I am working as a SharePoint architect and I am working with Space Technologies since 3 years. See, now main agenda of this course is what is the SharePoint. Okay, why entire market is looking for SharePoint, why not other technologies, and what are the new features have been added in SharePoint recently. Okay, we will discuss about these all the topics. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
What are the alternatives, by the way, to the SharePoint? If we are not using SharePoint environment, what are the alternative options for which can replace this technology?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, sure, we will discuss it more.
Sure.
Yeah. So, what is the SharePoint? Just tell me whatever you know.
I think it's a web-based. It's kind of a business administration and the way that we share the documents in a hierarchy in the organizational structure that everybody would be able to give their inputs and share the documents and update it and through the web interface.
Yes.
I don't know much about it, and only I know about it that we need to host internal website on IaaS.
Yes, exactly.
To
Wonderful.
SharePoint, and this is the prerequisite to the SharePoint.
Yes, exactly. Correct. Whatever you said, that is 100% correct. Okay, see, let me discuss about SharePoint. What is the SharePoint? SharePoint is a collaboration portal where we can share the data with global or internal users based on business requirement is called SharePoint. Right, Azim?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, that is the SharePoint. This is not my definition, this is Microsoft definition. Clear?
Exactly.
Yeah. So, what is the SharePoint? SharePoint is a collaboration portal where we can share the data with global or internal users based on business requirement is called SharePoint. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, simply we can say backbone of the SharePoint is what? IaaS. Right?
IaaS.
IaaS. What is the full form of the IaaS?
Internet and Information Services.
Yes. IaaS.
Internet Information
Yes.
Services.
Internet Information Services. Clear? So, if you develop one application by using ASP.NET, okay, manually we need to go and host that application on IaaS. I am right?
Yes.
Yes, if you develop the application by using ASP.NET, manually we need to go and deploy it on IaaS. Then only outside of the people will be able to access the site. I am right?
Yes.
Yes.
Outside of the organization, you mean from the internet?
Yes, internal as well as external. See, this is
Exactly.
this is developed. I have developed this application by using .NET like tcs.com. Clear?
Okay.
I am able to access this site manually. I did deployed on IaaS. Then only we will able to access the site. Right? Yeah, if you are coming to the SharePoint, when you create one web application in SharePoint, that gets deployed on IaaS automatically.
Yes.
Okay, so here you no need to take care about deployment part.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Next.
What are the prerequisites to learn this technology? As I don't have any SharePoint or website development background. As I told you in my introduction that I'm right now working as a system administrator with the Dynamic Machine located in Canada from last 2 years, and I have more than 5 to 6 years of Canadian IT experience with 2 years of leading as IT admin experience.
Okay.
but I don't have any background with SharePoint or the website development. What are the prerequisites to learn this technology?
Yes. I am coming to that point. Okay. Now, if we create one web application in SharePoint, automatically the application gets deployed on IaaS. So you no need to take care about deployment part in SharePoint. Clear, Azim?
I don't understand what you said. Speak a little slow.
Yeah. See, when you create one web application in SharePoint, the application gets deployed on IaaS automatically.
We don't have to do this?
Yeah, we don't have to do that. Automatically it gets deployed on IaaS. So if it is .NET application, manually you need to go and host the application. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yeah, manually we need to host that application. If it is
.NET, right?
Yes, exactly. If it is SharePoint, when you create one web application in SharePoint, that gets deployed on IaaS automatically. Okay. By default, IaaS will come along with operating system. Okay. So there are different types of operating systems, right? What are they? One is client side operating system. Other one is server side operating system.
Yes.
Yeah. What are the server side operating systems?
Like Windows Server 2003 H.
Yes, exactly. Windows Server 2008. You can use 2000. Yeah, you can use 2008 R2. Next, Windows Server 2012 or 2012 R2. Yes or no? This is the latest version.
Yes. And are we supposed to be installing SharePoint 2013 into the server operating system? Or,
yes, exactly. Server operating system. Server
operating
operating
system. On any client? Because the Windows 8 and the Windows
No.
with IaaS.
No, we should not use client side operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. We should use server side operating system.
What are the hardware requirements?
Yeah, I'm coming to that point. One by one, I'm coming to that point. Okay. Yeah. Next, along with Windows Server 2008, what is the IaaS version we will get? IaaS 7.0. Okay. Along with Windows Server 2008 R2. Okay. What is the IaaS version we will get? IaaS 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah. Along with Windows Server 2012, IaaS 8.0. Along with Windows Server 2012 R2, what is the IaaS version? 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah, 8.5. Clear?
Yeah, that's
So to install the SharePoint, 100% you should use, what is that? Server side operating system.
alright.
Okay, so what are the 6 pillars of the SharePoint? See, there are 6 pillars of the SharePoint. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, what are the 6 pillars of the SharePoint? One is sites, communities, content, search, insight,
Search.
and composite.
Alright.
These are the 6 pillars of the SharePoint. Clear, Azimi?
Yes. That's,
Yeah.
that's it.
Now just see. Now you can understand fully. See, got it?
Yes, I got
Yeah, sites, communities, content, search, insights, and composites.
And what do you mean by the composites?
Yeah, I'm coming to that point. Okay, first thing is sites. What is the sites? So suppose we are developing the sites, right? Like http://bankofamerica.com.
Yes.
Okay, so how sales people can access the site? http://bankofamerica.com/hr. How sales people can access the site? bankofamerica.com/ what is that? Sales. How IT people can access this site? bankofamerica.com/IT.
Oh, okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So This is what? Site collections. See, HR, sales, IT, these are what? Site collections. Okay, in SharePoint, first we have web application. What is the web application? Collection of site collections. Yeah, what is the site collection? Collection of website or subsite. What is the website or subsite? Collection of web pages. Clear? If you remember this architecture, that's it. That is the SharePoint.
Okay.
Clear, Azim?
Yes.
Yeah. Web application, I can say, what is that? HTTP colon, what is that? bankofamerica.com.
Yeah.
Yeah. Site collections are what? Like HR, sales. Okay. Assume that finance, marketing, IT. These are what? Site collections. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. How IT people can access this site? HTTP colon. What is that? bankofamerica.com/IT. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. How sales people can access this site?
HTTP and column bankofamerica.com/sales.
Sales, exactly. See here, IT people, they cannot access the content of sales. Sales people, they cannot access the content of what? IT.
Yes.
IT. Yes or no?
Will we have to link them with the Active Directory, right? In order to apply the certain permissions level.
Yeah, the creation of the, to install the SharePoint, we need to make Active Directory.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. These all we are creating inside of the SharePoint. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. See, if it is website means, anyhow it is pages only, right? Suppose I am accessing this site like tcs.com. So many pages are here. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, many pages. These all, everything is the page. So what is the site collection? Collection of web pages.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like you have defined these two links, one for IT, one for sales.
Yeah.
We will have to create two separate links,
separate pages.
One for IT and one for sales.
Yes.
And then we can link it along with this HTTP link, right?
Yes,
That's what you mean.
exactly correct.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Next, what is the next pillar of the SharePoint? Communities. See, communities functionality very important in SharePoint. Okay. What is the community? Community is a centralized location where we can share the data or knowledge.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose Facebook. You know Facebook, right?
Of course.
Yeah. See, in Facebook, we can create our own community, then add our colleagues into that community, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. After that, if you post something, then only community people can see that information. I am right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Same kind of functionality Microsoft has implemented in SharePoint. Okay. Within the organization, if you post any query like what is the SharePoint, some people may respond that SharePoint is a collaboration portal. Some other people may say that SharePoint is document management system. Some other people may say that SharePoint is what? Content management system. Yes or no, Azim?
Yes.
Yes. So all these responses you can see or not in community? Yes, we can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That is called community. Now you tell me what is the community? Now you tell me what is the community?
Community is a place where you are creating the pages. Pages like Facebook. Like I don't know how to explain it, but I got the point. Like where the people can bring certain changes, and only those people can do the changes who are allowed and.
Yes, only who has created community. Yeah, they can see all the replies, right?
The certain people who are attached to those community
Yeah.
will be able to make some certain changes in that.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, content. What is the content? See, entire SharePoint content will be stored in SQL Server.
Okay. Will we have to install SQL Server? for that? Or?
Yes, exactly. See, I am coming to that point. This is the SharePoint server. This is the SQL server. Okay. So if you, this is the SharePoint site. Assume that this is what SharePoint site. Okay. If you are uploading any data, okay, entire this content would be stored in where? SQL server, backend database.
Oh, that's good. Even though like we can just simply take the backup and in any crash or disaster, we can just simply recover from this SQL database.
Yes, exactly correct. Okay, SharePoint tightly integrated with what? SQL server.
Okay.
Okay, clear? Yeah. Next, search. What is the search? Like you people are using Google search, yes or no?
Yes, we do.
Yeah. Google search we are using throughout globally. Whereas in SharePoint search,
within the SharePoint database.
Yes, exactly. We can search the document and the files, images within the SharePoint application.
Okay, but within the certain limitation and permissions, right? Like an IT person who is not allowed to.
Yes, they won't access
the documents from the salespersons.
Yes,
so exactly. They will not be
exactly.
able to find out anything.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. They won't able to find it out. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Next, insight. Insight means SharePoint can able to integrate any third-party tools. Okay. SharePoint can integrate with any third-party tools like Salesforce CRM, SAP, Oracle database. Okay. That we can call it as insight.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, composites. What is the composites? See, to develop the SharePoint site, we will use some components. What are they? Like Visual Studio. Okay, SharePoint Designer, Report Designer.
Yeah.
Okay, Design Manager. These all we will call it as what? Composites. Clear? So to develop the SharePoint application, we will use these components. These components we will call it as what? Composites. Clear? These are the 6 pillars of the SharePoint. It is very important interview question as well. What are the 6 pillars of the SharePoint means? You should able to answer sites,
sites and
composites.
Well, my question is like in order to create a SharePoint database or SharePoint pages, do you have to be a website developer in order to design the pages, or
yeah, website developer.
So do I have to be? Does it require me to be a website developer to create pages, or
yes,
does it have an internal mechanism to create pages?
Yeah, there is an internal mechanism to create the pages. That is inbuilt functionality.
It doesn't require IT administrator to be a.
Yes, exactly. At the administrator, it is not required to develop the pages, create the pages.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Next, hardware and software. Yeah, SharePoint versions. What is that? SharePoint versions. See, first version of the SharePoint is 2001. Next, SharePoint 2003. Next, SharePoint 2007. Also, we will call it as MAS. Okay. Yeah. Next version of the SharePoint is SharePoint 2010. Next, SharePoint 2013. This is the latest in the market.
Did you hear about the SPS Small Business Server 2008? It has the built-in SharePoint infrastructure in it, and that is version 3 point some. I don't remember what.
Yeah,
we're using currently SPS Server 2008 R2
okay.
in our environment as a domain controller, which came with built-in SharePoint and Exchange server installed.
Yeah, that is SPS means SharePoint services. Okay. SharePoint 2003 also we can call it as SPS. In 2007 we are calling it as MAS. MAS, the full form of the MAS is Microsoft Office SharePoint Server. Okay, later on they changed it to SharePoint 2010 2013. This is the latest version in the market. Okay.
What is the job opportunities? How do you think that it will be very beneficial for the system for the system administrators? Like, I don't want to be a SharePoint administrator, but it's good to have these skills besides that. What is you think, like, how I'm going to get benefits from this course? As I'm working as a system admin, but I have seen a couple of job advertisements. They require a system administrator to have a knowledge of SharePoint as well.
Yes, exactly. See why? Because mainly they are looking for install and configure the SharePoint and enable some enterprise features which are included in built-in feature in SharePoint. Okay, so if you know installation and configuration of the SharePoint, how to enable enterprise features in SharePoint, that is very good. You can act as a SharePoint administrator fully. Yeah.
All right. In order to learn SharePoint 2013, am I required to have a knowledge of SharePoint 2010?
No, not required. I will take care about it. No, not required. Yeah, see, so SharePoint 2010 is replica of 2013. Okay, so additional feature have been adding. See, if it is new version means they are adding additional feature, but concept is same, right? That's it.
Okay, the concept is most important.
Yes. Okay, see, what is the latest version of the SharePoint in the market? 2013. Okay, what are the hardware and the software requirement for SharePoint 2013? SharePoint 2013. So hardware requirement, minimum 8 GB RAM is required. Okay, minimum 8 GB RAM is required. Next, 64-bit processor should be required. Okay, so in interviews they will ask you, can you install SharePoint on 32-bit additional processor?
No.
No, we cannot use.
Because that 32-bit only supports 4 GB of maximum RAM.
Yes, exactly. Okay, we should use 64-bit processor only. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Next.
One more question that I have is, like, if I learn 2013 and if I get a job where they're using 2010 or 2007 and they want me to migrate it to 2013, will I be able to do that after doing this?
Yes. I will show you how to migrate the site from SharePoint 2007
Is it
2010.
really complicated or it's very easy?
Yeah, it is very easy. Okay, so you know what is the overall in and out of migration, that's it. Then if there is any issues, you can able to handle, that is not a problem. Okay, clear?
Yes, that's clear.
Yeah. Next, whereas coming to the hard disk space, we required 80 GB. Okay, minimum 80 GB is required. Okay, coming to the software requirement, we need Windows Server 2008 or what is that? Windows Server 2008 R2. Okay, Windows Server 2012 or Windows Server, what is that? 2012 R2. Okay, next we need SQL Server also. Got it? SQL Server 2008 or 2012 or 2014. This is the latest version.
And we have to pay for the SQL Server.
Yes, exactly. Okay, again we need IAS. Okay, as you know that already, we can use IAS 7.5 or 7.0 or 8.0 or 8.5.
Not less than that.
Sorry?
Not version earlier than this.
Yeah, see, I told you, right? So IAS we will get along with server side operating system.
Of course, that's the role, I believe, or feature in.
Yes, exactly. We need to enable it. Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. So you should not use below version of the SharePoint. You should not use below version of Windows Server like 2003 server. Okay. Why? Because these are latest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? Because Microsoft already stopped
Discontinued 2003.
stopped to give the support for 2003.
I know it has been discontinued since April 2015.
Yes, exactly, correct. Okay, yeah, next .NET framework. Okay, 4.5 is required. Finally, SharePoint 2013.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, any doubt?
No. What are the licensing costs for this?
Yeah, that is for user basis.
Oh my god.
Yeah, see, for user basis, see, in starting itself we need talk to Microsoft team, like if they are using for 100 users, they will charge around $1,000. Okay, if they are using 5,000 users, okay, they will charge around $10,000, like that. That is depends on user basis.
It's not pretty expensive then.
Yeah, not expensive, but it is cheap.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
earlier product based, now they are changed to user based license.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, next advantages of the SharePoint. Advantages of the SharePoint. See, if we go for SharePoint, we can develop the project very quickly within less budget.
Okay.
Okay, so budget cost would be reduced if I go for what? SharePoint. Clear?
Oh yeah.
And
Oh,
yeah,
sure.
product cost also very less compared to other technology portals. Okay, and we can deliver the project within deadline by providing rich graphical user interface and more security levels.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, next maintenance is very easy. Okay, maintenance cost is reduced. Okay, these are advantages of the SharePoint. Okay, in SharePoint 2013 they implemented these are the new features. Okay, one is cloud computing is new.
Okay.
Cloud computing, you know, right? If you are using iPhone,
Yeah.
you people are downloading the apps from App Store, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, App Store is what? Cloud computing.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, look and feel is very good. Look and feel is very good in SharePoint 2013 compared to what is that?
You mean the graphical interface?
Yeah, graphical user interface, exactly. Okay, more security. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Yeah, more security. Next, Facebook functionality is new. In SharePoint 2013, Microsoft introduced what is that? Facebook functionality. Okay, using that we can share our knowledge and thoughts with internal organization people.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah, next, drag and drop functionality is new. Drag and drop functionality is new. Got it? So these all the new features have been added in SharePoint 2013.
Yeah.
Okay, next, installation of the SharePoint. What is that? Installation of the SharePoint. Yeah, generally when you install the SharePoint, okay, once you install the SharePoint, by default two built-in database will be created. Okay, two database will be created. Very Microsoft interview question. When you install and configure the SharePoint, totally two database will be created.
Yeah.
Okay, what are they? One is configuration database. Yeah, other one is what? SharePoint _ admin database. Clear? Clear, Azim? Hello? Hello, Azim? Azim, you there?
So you continue.
Yeah. So, yeah, just 2 more minutes, not more than that. Okay? Hello?
Sir, you
Okay. So configuration database. Yeah, configuration database and SharePoint underscore admin content database.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Next, when you, it is Microsoft interview question. When you install and configure the SharePoint, totally two database will be created. One is configuration database, other one is what? SharePoint underscore admin database. Clear? Yeah. Next, just to see, this is the server. Clear, assume?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is the server I am using?
2008.
Yeah, Windows Server 2008 R2. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So once you install the SharePoint, we will get one folder, Microsoft SharePoint 2013 products. Click on it. Open the SharePoint 2013 Central Administration. Okay. Here pass the credentials. Click on OK. Clear, Azim? See, this we can call it as central administration. Okay, if you know entire this page, you can act as a SharePoint administrator.
Yeah.
Okay, if you know entire this page, you can act as a SharePoint administrator. See, I told you there will be two databases. What are the two databases?
User configuration and
Admin
admin database.
database. Why? Because
Database and SharePoint admin database.
yes, exactly. Configuration database, it is help us to other application. Got it? Yeah, SharePoint admin database. What is the use of SharePoint admin database? See, your central admin, this page is running on which database? SharePoint underscore admin database.
Okay.
Okay. Now, yeah, go and check. Open the SQL server. SSMS.
Yeah.
To open the SQL server, what is the shortcut? SSMS. See, these are all the two databases.
Yeah.
Okay. SharePoint admin database, configuration database. Clear? Very, very, very important interview question. Okay. First thing is to create our own web application. Click on application management tab.
Yeah.
Okay. So where we can create new web application. Okay. Any doubt?
No.
Yeah. This is about what is that? How to create new web application in SharePoint. See, when I click on web application, there is again 4 tabs: web application, site collections, service application, database. What is the web application? Collection of,
That we can access to the HTTP protocol.
yeah, collection of site collection. What is the site collection? Collection of website or subsite. Yeah, what is the website or subsite? Collection of pages. Clear? What is the web application? Collection of site collections.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt, Azim?
No. No thing.
Yeah. So how to create the web application, we will see in next session. Okay. Do you have any question for today's session? You can ask me. I will clarify.
No. Pretty much makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. So this configuration database is reference to other SharePoint application. That's why we will call it as configuration database. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Any doubt?
What is the duration for this course?
So totally 25 to 30 sessions.
So each session will be
25 sessions maximum. Okay. If there are additional features, I explain about real time and all, it will go up to 28 sessions.
okay.
Each session,
And each session
yeah,
will be
45 minutes to 1 hour.
okay.
Yeah, 1 hour you can consider.
Okay, so it's gonna be for like 25 hours.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, if it is SharePoint central admin, if it is administration 25 session, if it is development, no, it will go 35 sessions.